Quizzes are a great way to attract new leads to your business because quizzes are fun, people love taking quizzes, and they will give you their email address because they want the answers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a quiz with ChatGPT. It only takes 5 minutes and you can create as many as you want. Okay, let's go through the prompts one by one. Okay, prompt number 1, and I'm going to reveal it, is we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a certain number of topic quizzes on a certain niche. And let's say I want, let's keep it simple and get 2 quiz topic ideas about, let's say, relationships. Let's pretend that I'm a relationship coach and I want to create a quiz to gather email addresses. And this is a great way to do it. So we have communication styles quiz. And this quiz can help individuals identify their communication style and how it affects their relationship. The second one, which I already like better, just by reading the beginning, love languages quiz based on the concept of the 5 love languages by Gary Chapman. This quiz will determine which love language an individual most often prefers to receive in a relationship. So yeah, this is definitely what I'm gonna go with. So yeah, that's my topic. The next prompt is actually this is the biggest prompt because we're going to create the actual quiz. So we're going to say, I'm going to copy my topic so I can paste it in the prompt. Develop a comprehensive love languages quiz with say 5 questions. Now I'm going to speed it up. Don't worry, you don't have to watch ChatGPT go through every motion. So we've got develop a comprehensive love languages quiz with 5 questions that are insightful and 5 potential outcomes, each with a detailed explanation reflecting the quiz taker's selections. So I'm going to let it run and I am going to speed up the video. Okay, as you can see, this is a lot. Our quiz is basically done. All we need to do, now we do have 2 more prompts. But this is the majority of what we need for the quiz. We have our 5 questions with the selections for answers, and we have the 5 outcomes. This is great. The only things that are left are the title for our quiz and the little blurb about it. So let's start with the title. We are going to say, I'm going to copy and paste it. So craft, let's go again with 2 compelling titles that encapsulates the essence of the quiz topic. So I'm going to pull my quiz topic again and just paste it in here. And we want these titles to be designed to pique curiosity and engage the target audience. All right. And ChatGPT will come up with 2 titles. So the first one is Discover Your Heart's True Voice, a journey through the 5 love languages. Unlock the secrets of affection, find out how you speak the language of love. Now, they're okay, but I'm not in love with any of them. So if that's the case with you, just click regenerate and it will generate 2 more. Now, something to keep in mind is that you're not going to lose your titles because here on the left, you can click through the selection. So this is the first one that gave us, and this is the second option with the 2 new titles. So what we have, Discover Your Heart's Secret Languages, the ultimate love language quiz. Unlock the love code, find out which love language speaks to you. I still don't like them and I'm going to regenerate it again. But and as you can see, you can regenerate as many times as you want. Okay, so uh, okay, let's just pick one. Unlock the love code. Let's go with unlock the love code. This is the one we're gonna go for. And then the last prompt is that a little introduction or the little blurb about your quiz. And this is what you can put on your landing page actually, or in whatever you're introducing on an ad. Anywhere you want, you can use that. Of course, you will have to make it sound more like you, but it's usually a great first draft. And I'm going to pick my title. So basically what we're saying is compose an inviting introduction that briefly explains the love language quiz titled Unlock the Love Code. Find out which love language speaks to your soul, its relevance, and what participants can learn about themselves or the subject matter. And then I'm saying use a friendly and informal language that engages and piques curiosity. And it will come up with this little blurb. I never use the hey there lovebirds, or however it introduces the topic. I never use the welcome bit. I generally start somewhere here. And it is pretty good. Ever feel like you and your significant other are speaking different languages, different dialects in the language of love? Or maybe you're just on a quest to understand the subtle ways you prefer affection. And as you can see, there's like 4 paragraphs that you can then take, make them your own, and your quiz is done. So try these prompts and let me know in the comments about the quizzes you're making and how you like them.